So, one thing I forgot to do in the unboxing is we have a lockout kit for our, oh boy, our Rotoflex. And we have this little issue to where the lockout bar will not really fit with these bars on the side here. So I have to mark where this bar comes up on the pin box and then grind them down so that I can get it to fit standing upright and get the bolt to go through. So that's going to be fun. So since I'm completely not ready for filing and grinding metal, I have this handy little grinder that I got for some screw heads on my slide, so it would stop wrecking my slide floor. So we're going to see how this works to grind this down after I have marked it off with marker in my redneck ways. And yes, I'm wearing safety glasses. A little battery change and some adjustment. This took much longer than I would like to admit, but it'll be fine. Everything's fine. It'll fit. So now that I got that to fit on the back, we got the one on the front here. These long bolts fit in, slide through, washer on each side. Doing this with one hand is a lot of fun right now. And a washer on that end, and then a lock nut. And there's no torque specs to this one, so both sides will have this run through on the inside of the flex to keep basically that rubber pad in there from slipping out and flexing. Alright, I got her all snugged in there. Should be good to go. Alright, let's get this kingpin cleaned off, greased, degreased, and the loop plate off. worst part is these damn castle nuts.
Coming this way? Okay.
So we had a little bit of an oversight on our end with how we were going to do the hitch. We were just going to do a regular gooseball fitting right up on there, and with a little more research, what we should have started with, we decided to get the bed shaft from Andersen, which adds 33% strength, which is kind of a no-brainer with how secure it makes the hitch to the bed connection. I mean, why the heck not? Why wouldn't you do something like that? And then we also added safety chains for added peace of mind for if anything were to happen. They're not required in every state, but it's just kind of one of those what ifs, and you know, CYA, make it happen. But now we're gonna get everything installed and see how good it looks. All right, so I'm gonna open these up quick because, you know, gotta open them up. Actually, play with them. But here's the bed shaft. This is the notch that the lock for the hitch goes right into. It's fit for it. Simple, sturdy, hefty. And then of course the safety chains with the little clevises. And these actually replace the fittings that come stock on the hitch adapter. These will be thrown on there just so, you know, you can hook the chains on and all that good stuff. Easy, easy. There's a step on the other side for you.
This goes in here?
Yep.
Like that? That's it?
Yep.
Okay.
A little tug test. And then the hitch.
And you just put it right on top of it?
Yep, there's that sleeve under that nut. Yes.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
How do we do this?
From here, you gotta line that up with the.
push it through once, or do you push it through so the pin
I
is
just
like
do it
all the way
once.
in?
So this goes down to 60 pounds of torque.
Okay. I'll go this tight if I see it on the push hands. Good?
Yep.
Okay.
And then this one.
Oh.
Once you'll hear it click once you get it. That.
That's good?
Yep.
Okay.
60 pounds is not a whole lot of force.
Okay.
So to get the position of the pin box adapter forward or back, to figure out which way it needs to go, you measure center of the ball to the outside of the closest rail to the hitch, which is unfortunately our tonneau cover. So for here it's about 29 inches. So now we'll take off our little hitch lock. Get this up here in the standard position. You got this here, so you need to put the hook for the chains on the far side of that, and then the other chain hook will be on this side. So here she is, all of her glory. Ready to go.
I feel like this makes us a lot taller.
We'll see.
Yeah. Can I suppose that's everything, isn't it? Besides the chains and whatnot.
You do a little break. Linda. You're good whenever.